Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be telling you my thoughts on this Dr. Lomi Lomi stool. Now this thing is incredible. I am so pleased with it. Everything from receiving it, it was well packaged and the instructions were clear and easy to follow. It took me just a matter of minutes to get this put together and I adore this. It is so comfortable and everything about it is convenient. It's ergonomic and feels so good to sit on. So whether you were looking for something simple just to use around your home, or if you have an occupation where this could be really helpful, I think you would adore this. It has a thick padded foam top that has this saddle design, so it feels incredibly comfortable. It helps me sit with better posture. It does have the hydraulic cylinder here, so you can raise this stool up, and it's got great height to it, or you can very easily lower it down. And then you have the 5-leg base with all of the swivel casters. It rolls so smoothly. Even on this quite dense carpet, it can very easily roll around. This is going to be such a great option if you are looking for something simple that's going to help you with your posture and give you comfort while sitting, but still keep your movements very free and open. This is a remarkable choice. I would absolutely give this a try.